So let's start the today's class and see, so many of you have doubt particularly in that assignment which I have given on the board, that is resistance assignment, right? So I have given you some problems. So many of you have done it, but some are wrong. So let's see one by one how to solve those problems which I have given already. So this is first one which I have given. So I gave you like this circle, and here is resistance. Then one more resistance is here, and like this. Okay, this is point A, this is point B, and here I have given 8 ohm, this is 4 ohm, and this is 4 ohm. Listen carefully how to solve this. Okay, now see, as already I told you, in parallel current divides, in series it won't, right?
Yes, sir.
If we are assuming that the current is coming from this side, or we can say from A point, okay, current is coming here, okay, and now from this point it is going to divide, yes, and again it is coming out from B point, yes. So here current is dividing means this 4 ohm and this 4 ohm is in parallel, yes or not? 4 ohm is in parallel with 4 ohm. Agree with me? तो अगर मैं 1 by RP find out करूं, how I will get? See here, 1 by RP is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. This is equal to what? 2 by 4. This is 1 by RP. And this RP is equal to what? 4 by 2, which is equal to 2 ohm. Okay. Now again I am redrawing the circuit. This is 8 ohm as it is. And now this combination I got only just 2 ohm. And this is my point B. This is point A. And this is what? 2 ohm. Now you see again current is coming, no, same current, yes, but this time it will not divide anywhere. Will it divide? No, it is not dividing anywhere. Yes. So now all are in series. So here you see 8 ohm and 2 ohm are in series, and therefore RAB is equal to 8 ohm plus 2 ohm, which is equal to how much?
10 ohm.
10 ohm. This is what
10
your
ohms.
answer for the first question. Okay. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Clear, hai?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Let's go to the next question. Okay, what is the next question? See, next question I gave like this. Second question. Here it is 3 ohm and this is 4 ohm. And across this, I have given one more resistance like this, which is 7 ohm. And this point is A and this point is B. Okay, see now. Again, you assume that the current is entering from point A like this. So when this point is coming, there are two branches where current is dividing. One current will go like this, one current is going like this. Means obviously these two, this and this are in parallel. Okay, but these two are in series. So first what I am doing, I am finding first that 3 and 4 in series. So here 3 ohm and 4 ohm are in series because current flowing through these two resistance is same. Agree with me? Therefore,
Yes, sir.
3
Yes,
ohm
sir.
plus 4 ohm is equal to 7 ohm. So first I have found out this resistance. Okay, Arthamaitunda. Okay. Now, after this, again, I am redrawing the circuit. So now, across this, I got this, how much? 7 ohm. Yes, no? I got here, how much resistance? 7 ohm. And across this, again, I got this, already it is there. I got no need. This is already here. This is what? 7 ohm. This point is A, this point is B. Again, you see now current direction. This is again going to divide from this point. So means what? These two are in bolo. These two are in parallel, है ना? When these two are in parallel, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7, which is equal to 2 by 7, and therefore Rp is equal to 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5.
3.5.
है कि नहीं?
Yes,
Okay, right. Understood, everyone? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Try to understand clearly. Okay. If I will give one assignment, you have to solve now. Listen. If you have doubt, ask me here itself. Okay. So let's move ahead. And this is third question. Some did, but some, whatever the third question I am going to solve now, some students solve, but in a wrong way. So see here how it is. I gave you like this. One
The total
resistance.
resistance is 4 ohm.
Yes, wait. And then again, I gave like this. This is point A and this is point B. And every resistor is of resistance 4 ohm. Okay. Now just see clearly. Try to identify where current is dividing and where it not. So here current is coming from this point dividing, here also dividing. Okay. Now this current will come like this, yes, and this current will meet again, hai na? Even from this also it is going, hai na? Yes, means again dividing coming. This is one point only. So can I redraw this diagram like this? See, this is 4 ohm. This is 4 ohm and this is just common point. And then again here also 4 ohm and here also 4 ohm. Can I draw like this?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
तो अब बोलो मुझे ये जो पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन है, ये दो कैसे है? पैरेलल, है ना? ये दो कैसे है? पैरेलल. Yes. Now here, this is 1 by Rp1 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. And this side 1 by Rp2 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. This is equal to 2 by 4. And here it is. Again how much? 2 by 4.
2 by 4.
तो Rp1 कितना आ रहा है? Rp1 and Rp2 कितना आ रहा है? Both are same, है ना? 4/2 कितना 2 ohm. Here also RP2 is equal to 4/2 which is equal to 2 ohm. Now फिर से रीड्रॉ करेंगे. ये वाला एक आ गया 2 ohm यहाँ पे. Yes. And then after this again you got here also 2 ohm. This is point A, this is point B. अब ये दोनों सीरीज में है, पैरेलल में है? बोलो बोलो.
Series.
Series, sir.
क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें करंट जो जा रहा है सेम करंट है दोनों रजिस्टर में से. तो R
Only one path.
is equal to 2 ohm plus 2 ohm is equal to 4 ohm. है ना?
4 ohm.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Another resistor.
रजिस्टर है
अरे
ना,
saving है.
रजिस्टर है.
అంతే కదా నా సేవింగ్
Okay. Finished.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move ahead. Next one, fourth question we are going to solve. Previous one, do you want to copy? Once you see, those who have committed mistake, you can go through that and solve it again. Okay, let's move ahead now. This fourth one, how I give, see, here it was 4 ohm resistance, 4 ohm. Then here it is 4 ohm. Again here also 4 ohm. These two combined, and here it is 2 ohm. 4 ohm, 4 ohm. And again from this I have connected one more resistance which is 2 ohm. Listen carefully. And this is point A, this is point B. 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 2 2. ओके, सही है ना? तो देखो इसको कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं, ध्यान से सुनो. Now first see where current divides. Current is coming suppose from point A. Now this is 1. So first it is dividing here and here. Again another junction. Here it is dividing again. So after this again coming back. So first I want to find is what? This structure है ना, दिस वाला जो मैंने येलो से सर्कल किया है ना, ये वाला फाइंड आउट करना है. और ये कैसे है? पैरेलल में है, सीरीज में है? दिस इज इन पैरेलल. पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन, पैरेलल. So shall I write direct now? How much you will get? Rp is equal to R by N formula. R is what here? 4. N is what? 2. Same resistance connected in parallel 2 times. How much resistance? 2 ohm. ये फॉर्मूला हमने देखा है ना,
2 ohm.
याद आया?
Yes, sir.
नोट्स में मैंने दिया है. If
Yes, sir.
n number of same resistance, if n number of same resistors connected in a parallel, resistance becomes 1 by n times the net resistance of that each resistor. That's why R by n. 4 by 2, 2 ohm. Even you will do 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, you will get same. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 4, same you will get. Okay. So let's redraw again. Now this is 4 ohm as it is previous wala. This is point A. And now whatever we have reduced, that is now 2 ohm. And again here it is 2 ohm. And here it is 2 ohm. Yes, no? Koi doubt? Now this time what I will do, I will find out first this part. Okay, see here what I am finding, this part, because here it is the same and it is dividing from this point. So this is in series, hai na? This is what? In series combination. So here Rs is equal to what? 2 plus 2. How much? 4 ohm.
4 ohm.
क्लियर है, समझ में आ रहा है अच्छे से? ओके, फिर से रीड्रॉ
Yes, sir.
करेंगे,
Yes, sir.
करेंगे. दिस इज 4 ohm. Now again we got here how much? 4 ohm. And this is what? Down 2 ohm. सही है ना?
Yes, sir.
So this is 2 ohm. This point is B, this point is A. Okay, right. Now you see again current is where it is dividing from here, it is getting divided. It means what? This part is what? Parallel or series?
Parallel.
Parallel, sir.
Parallel.
ये पैरेलल है तो कैसे करेंगे बोलो? अब ये सेम नहीं है ना, तो इसलिए 1/RP वाला फॉर्मूला 1/4 प्लस 1/2. हाँ बोलो एलसीएम. एलसीएम क्या लेंगे? 4 1. हाँ 1 प्लस
2. 1 plus 2.
हाँ कितना होगा?
3/4.
3/4.
3/4.
ओके 3/4 3/4 है ना. एंड आरपी इज इक्वल टू 4/3.
4/3.
Okay, right. This also finished. Next again we will redraw. See here, this is 4 ohm as it is, and then this is 4/3 ohm. Now this is series or parallel?
Series.
Series, sir.
Enduku it is series. Bolo.
It has
Same
only
current
one
is
path.
flowing.
It is only one path. It has only one
Same
path.
current is flowing. Very good. Anduke RAB is equal to 4 plus 4/3 है ना. करो
Sir,
अभी.
5.6666.
5 चौक 12 12 अधिक 4 भागिले 3 16/3.
16/3. Sir, 5.33333.
कितना आ रहा है?
5.3.
Yes, 5.333 ohm. How much? How many threes you want? You can take. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. आगे बढ़ेंगे. Yes, because you are getting YouTube link also. No, later also you can note down, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
आगे बढ़ते
Yes, sir.
हैं. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर क्या है? 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 कैसे दिया था? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 मैंने दिया था कुछ ऐसे. ये यहाँ पे था 2 ओहम, उसके बाद फिर से दिया था ये 2 ओहम, और फिर उसके बाद दिया था यहाँ पे 4 ओहम, और बाद में यहाँ पे कनेक्ट किया था 1 ओहम, फिर यहाँ पे था 2 ओहम, और फिर से यहाँ पे था कितना? 1 ओहम, और बाद में यहाँ पे दिया था पॉइंट बी, और ये है पॉइंट ए. ओके ठीक है. चलो अभी करंट आ रहा है. यस, इस पॉइंट से एक इधर जा रहा है, और एक जो है सेम करंट इस तीनों रजिस्टर से जा रहा है ना. यहाँ पे भी 1 ओहम. सही है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अब देखो, सी कैन आई टेक दिस ब्रांच. ये देखो, ये जो काजू बादाम की तरह लग रहा है ना आपको, ये वाला है ना काजू शेप, राइट?
Yes, sir.
ये है पूरा सीरीज में. सीरीज में है ना ये पूरा सीरीज में?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Series.
हाँ ये है कैशू, राइट? तो अब यहाँ पे 1 ओहम प्लस 2 ओहम प्लस 1 ओहम इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 4 ओहम.
4 ohms.
So shall I replace now? This is 2 ohm. This is again 2 ohm. Then again here how much? 4 ohm, and here it is
4
how much you
ohm.
got? 4 ohm.
4 ohm.
4 ohm.
4 ohm.
Right,
Total 6
right,
ohm.
right. Okay, 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 okay,
Sir,
okay.
2 ohm
This
plus
is
2 ohm
B
plus 2
and this
ohm,
is
6
A.
ohm.
Okay, again you check current direction, going current. Okay, यहाँ पे हो रहा है divide. It means what? This
Parallel.
branch.
Parallel.
ओरियो बिस्कुट है ना, ये देखो ओरियो बिस्कुट शेप है ना, ये क्या है? पैरेलल में है ना। अब बोलो,
Parallel
पिछली
में।
बार मैंने एक फॉर्मूला बोला था आरपी का, सेम रेजिस्टेंस के लिए क्या था? R by N.
R by N.
R by N.
Aryan था
4 by 2.
4 by 2.
2
4 by 2.
2.
Okay, again redrawing. This is 2 ohm, then again 2 ohm, again 2 ohm, है ना? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now all are in series or parallel?
Series.
Series, sir.
All are
Series,
in
sir.
series because same current is flowing. तो बोलो RAB कितना आएगा? 2 ohm plus
6
2
ohm.
ohm
6
plus
6
2
ohm.
ohm. How much? 6 ohm.
6
Okay.
ohm.
Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, understood. Next question. कुछ डाउट है इसमें?
No, sir.
ओके,
No, sir.
चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। ये क्वेश्चन जो है नेक्स्ट वाला, देखो कैसे करना है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 4 ना 4 5 5 6 6 okay
6, sir.
6, sir.
yes
6, sir.
so I think I have given like this triangle. Okay, and these are the 2 points, and listen now how to do this type of things. This is A and this is B. This is I gave 3 ohm, this is 2 ohm and 4 ohm. Okay, अब देखो, now current from which direction it is coming or from which point? A point it is coming, and here it is dividing, है ना? So this current will continue like this. So it means what? These two are in series or parallel?
Series.
Series, sir.
तो पहले ये जो अपना अंडा है, ये जो अपना अंडा है, देखो ये अंडा, इसको पहले करेंगे सीरीज है पैरेलल है? सीरीज।
Series, sir.
तो 4 ohm
6 ohm.
प्लस 3 ohm कितना हुआ? 2 है ना?
Sir, 2 ohm.
2
Sir, 2 ohm ना sir. 2 ohm.
रुको
2 ohm.
यस, तो यहाँ पे है अपना 2 ohm, तो ये कितना होगा?
6
6
ohm. 6 ohm.
ओके, तो फिर से रीड्रॉ करता हूँ। देखो ये हो गया 6 ohm, यस, एंड दिस वन इज हाउ मच?
3 ohm.
3
3
ohm.
ohm.
This is point A, this is point B. Now again you see current is dividing now. Here it is dividing, here also it is dividing from this point. So these two are in parallel or series now?
Parallel.
Okay, so these are parallel. Are they same? No. Can we
No.
use RP
No.
is equal to R by N formula? No. We have to use 1 by
No.
RP formula. 1 by R plus 1 by 3 is equal to LCM बोलो 6 है ना? तो अब ये ऊपर वाला जो है ये कितना आएगा? देखो
1 plus 2.
कितना आएगा?
1 plus 2. 1 plus 2.
1 plus 2, तो ये 1 by RP हो गया
3 by 6.
3 by 6. Therefore RP is equal to how much? 6 by 3,
6 by 3.
which is equal to 2
2
ohm,
ohm.
है ना? And hence similarly RAB also how much? 2 ohm. So yeah, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। लास्ट वाला प्रॉब्लम समझ में आया ये?
Yes, sir.
sir.
ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। लास्ट प्रॉब्लम आई थिंक विच आई गेव। So I gave like this, seventh question. So one triangle I gave. And here it is 2 ohm. Here it is 1 ohm. This is 8. This is 1. This is 4. And this is also 4 ohm. This is point A and this is point B. Okay. अब देखो. Now current is coming, current is coming, current is coming. Yes, here it came. तो यहाँ से जब ये डिवाइड होगा तो ये दोनों से सेम करंट फ्लो होगा, है कि नहीं? ये सेम, और यहाँ से जो है वो डिफरेंट है ना? दिस इज डिफरेंट. तो सेम करंट मीन्स दिस फर्स्ट आई एम सॉल्विंग.
हाँ सर.
So this is series or parallel?
Series.
Series. तो 4 ohm
Series.
plus 4 ohm कितना होगा? 8 ohm.
8 ohm.
8 ohm.
चलो फिर से रिड्रॉ करेंगे. ये 2 ohm as it is. इस पॉइंट से नाउ आई एम हैविंग 8 ohm, और ये भी आ गया मुझे कितना? 8 ohm. दिस इज आल्सो 8 ohm.
8 ohm.
हाँ, है ना? अब ये दोनों ज्वाइंट होके इधर चले जाएंगे, है ना?
Yes, sir.
1 ohm.
और ये कितना है यहाँ पे? 1 ohm. Yes.
1 ohm.
Yes, yes. A and this is B. Now you tell, here it is parallel or series or from this it is dividing? No. Yes.
Parallel.
Parallel, sir.
हाँ, अब बोलो कौन बोलेगा फॉर्मूला पैरेलल का?
R by N.
R by N.
8 by 2.
RP is equal to
8
R
by
by
2.
N. हाँ.
R by N is
8 by
equal to
8 by 2.
4 ohm.
Is equal to 4 ohm.
ओके, चलो फिर से रिड्रॉ करेंगे. देखो देखो कैसे आता है. ये है 2 ohm. उसके बाद ये है 4 ohm. 4 तो कहाँ गया? 4 गायब हो गया क्या? ये है 4 ohm. ओके, और हियर इट इज 1 ohm, है ना? दिस इज A, दिस इज B. तो अब देखो ये सारे जो है सीरीज में है, पैरेलल में है?
Series, sir.
Series.
क्योंकि ये देखो सारा एक ही करंट है ना? तो अब बोलो RAB क्या होगा? 2 ohm plus 4 ohm plus 1 ohm.
Plus 1 ohm.
कितना हुआ?
7 ohm.
7 ohms.
Is that clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Clearly समझ में आया सब कुछ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
तो आपको you will get assignment on resistance today. Can you do it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You will do now, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
चलो फिर यहाँ पे मैं देता हूँ आपको 4-5 एग्जांपल देता हूँ होमवर्क के लिए. आपने सॉल्व करना है. HOMEWORK. क्या है वो?
Homework.
करोगे ना लेकिन? चलो देखेंगे कौन सॉल्व करता है। Two ohm, 2 ohm. This is 2 ohm. This is 3 ohm. This is 6 ohm. This is point A. This is point B. Second number. Okay, second number అయిపోయింది. Third number. I will give 3 examples only. You just solve this only. Okay. और एक दे दूं? Shall I give one more?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ले लो और एक ले लो. Okay, so this is what your homework. These 4 questions you have to solve and send me. So let's stop here because it is going to end now meeting. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I will send YouTube link.
Thank you.
Thank
you, sir.
Okay.
you, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
All the best. Have a great day.
Bye, sir.